protein for your plants. I usually have a few bananas, but I only have one banana peel. Get you a plastic jar, banana peel. Put that sucker in. And is my cup over here? It is. Get you some water. I have a bucket of rainwater. My big bucket. And you're gonna add some water. Good for your plants and your garden. Your house plants is what I mean. And you can leave some room for when you want to add more, but I usually just let it sit until I need it. Sometimes, but probably a week or two would be best to let it sit and then use. I'm not advertising, I just didn't take it off. But here you go. You got your banana peel juice, your protein for your plants.